Keys in. On. Turn the key to start the car. Nothing, no clicking, just a humming sound. This is our 2004 Toyota Wish. As you saw in the video, turn the key, nothing happens. Not even any click or anything like that. Bought a new battery. Put the battery on the terminals, tried it over, same thing. Turned it over and tapped a hammer onto the starter motor, which is located there, and bam, it started. Just a light tap on the top and it started. So went to water recyclers and bought a second hand one, and I'll pop that in. So first things first, disconnect the battery, take the battery out. I've just taken the airbox that sits here, taken the airbox off, just disconnect a couple of the hoses and a couple of the plugs here. I'll get everything off there, and eventually I'll get into the under here and get in, disconnect and unbolt the starter. So get the starter motor out. As I was leveraging it out, just on the top of the engine there, see that little three-way valve there? This car's done probably just under 200,000 Ks. And unfortunately, when I went to move that pipe to get the starter motor out here, it snapped. And it's really brittle. So just word of warning, when you go to get the starter motor out, try not to manipulate that line so much. It's pretty brittle. All finished. Replacement second hand starter motor in there. Pull the gearbox and everything back together. Bit of a rainy day today, so there it is, back together. Now while I've done this, that's the state of the, was a brittle hose connected there, three-way, and it snapped. So again, just got a second hand one, probably could have got a new one, but new connector on. You can see the hose clamps right there. I decided to go with cable ties because the replacement part I got was actually off another car, and it's slightly bigger, so I don't want to put too much stress on that actual connection. So here it is, back together, brand new battery, and then we turn the key. Exactly as it's meant to go. So here's the old starter motor that came out of the car. A couple of jumper leads, positive, negative, earth, positive under here to that terminal there, and then what I'm going to do is bridge that terminal with that second nut at the bottom there, just there. So trusty screwdriver and bridge the two like this. There we go, spinning. Now I tried this earlier, and it just sparked, so there wasn't any turning or anything going on. It just sparked last time, so now a little bit of spark and it's actually turning. So temperamental, when I tried it earlier it just sparked and didn't actually turn. Now it's probably had a couple of knocks around and I touch it, it actually turns. So but the one we've got in there is more reliable than this, so job well done.